In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi direct setup of your HP DeskJet 2942 all-in-one printer. That means we are going to connect this printer with your smartphone using an inbuilt Wi-Fi. So first we will print the printer's password. We will activate the Wi-Fi direct and then we will add in a smartphone. Go to the printer control panel. To activate the Wi-Fi direct, we have to switch off the wireless. Press it once and you will see the Wi-Fi direct icon on the screen. To print the password, press the information button once. Wait for the printer. Printer will print the printer information page. On this page, under the Wi-Fi direct, you will see the name of the Wi-Fi direct here and password is written here. This password is different for each printer. To add into a smartphone, you need to download the HP app. In the app, type in HP and download the HP app. Now go to your Wi-Fi settings. Select HP DeskJet 2900 series. Enter password. Printer is connected with the smartphone. Open the HP app. To add the printer, click on the plus button on the top. Select the second option, choose an available printer. Select HP DeskJet 2900 series. Instantly it will add the printer and now we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning. So this way we can do the Wi-Fi direct setup of the printer. Thanks for watching.